You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast from SDC International Shipping. Today, we're telling a true life story about one family's bold move from Russia to the United States and how SDC helped them make it smooth, safe, and deeply meaningful. Meet the Ivanov family, Anna and Dmitry and their two daughters. They decided it was time for a change. After years of dreaming about a new life in the U.S., they finally had their right visas, job opportunities, and courage to go for it. Anna had a job offer in Miami's hospitality sector. Dmitry, a remote software developer, could work from anywhere. So, all they needed now was a trusted partner to help them move not just their belongings, to move their life. That is where SDC International Shipping came in. Planning the move with precision. When the first call, a relocation specialist walked them through every option. Because they were moving an entire 3-bedroom apartment, we recommended a 40-foot full container load, offering them full control and faster delivery timelines. But they also had immediate needs, so we coordinated a small air freight shipment with clothing, electronics, and school supplies to arrive in Miami before the rest. They packed memories, not just furniture. Dmitry's biggest concern? His grandfather's handmade writing desk. Anna's concern? Their wedding china. Our packing team arrived in Moscow with all the right materials, industrial-grade wrap, shock-absorbent crates, and moisture-resistant liners. We custom-built wooden crates for fragile heirlooms, disassembled furniture safely, and packed every item with care. The family chose to pack books and linens themselves with materials we provided, giving them both cost savings and peace of mind. Customs, documentation, and delivery all handled. We helped prepare their inventory list, completed custom forms, and coordinated port-to-door delivery. The shipment cleared through U.S. Customs in New York, then traveled to Florida, arriving at their new home just days before they landed. With tracking updates throughout, the family never had to guess where their container was. They settled in with support. When the moving truck pulled into the Miami driveway, Anna admitted to us, "I thought I was going to be stressed, but I felt excited instead. Everything showed up exactly how we packed it. From unpacking their daughter's favorite toy to reassembling their dining table, it was clear. This was more than a move. It was a beginning." The family is now thriving in Miami. The daughters are in school, Dmitry works from the sunlit home office, and Anna's hosting family dinners around the same table they brought from Moscow. And we at SDC were proud because we were part of their story. If you're dreaming of a move like theirs, don't leave it to chance. Let us guide you. Every box, every form, every mile. Call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to get started. At SDC, we don't just ship homes, we move lives.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.